Before I start this video, I'd like to dedicate it to not only my best friend, or my sister's boyfriend, or my brother-in-law, but I want to dedicate it to a brother who I see as a little brother, because obviously he's younger than me, so that's one reason. But I see, you guys have seen on YouTube me growing up basically in cars and doing things with cars and stuff like that, and I see the same thing when I look at him. I see myself growing up learning things. But he recently was in a very, very bad motorcycle accident. He broke multiple bones. He broke his back, neck, some ribs. He's having difficulty breathing. He might not be able to walk, but in the midst of all that's happening right now with him in the hospital as we speak, my family just feeling just bad in general, I'd like to be positive, and doing things like this is just distracting me from the fact that my little brother is not injured in ways that God knows what's gonna happen, in ways that could render him in a wheelchair and not being able to do the things that he always loved to do. But I want to be positive, and I just want to tell you guys with this message that if you're riding out there, it doesn't matter if it's a motorcycle, car, a bicycle, whatever it is that you're riding out there, be careful. Be careful, and just don't do anything that could damage you forever. I know it's fun. I know things, the adrenaline, the feeling of speed, of crazy stunts. I know it feels good, but just be careful when you do those things. And don't take anything for granted. Love your people. Tell them that you love them. Be good to them. Help everybody as much as you can. And most importantly, love your family. That comes first. Family comes first. So as I record this, Jacob, if you ever see this, I wished every single day until you see this video and you're fine, you're okay, you're out of that hospital. I wished every day, and I prayed every day for you to get better, and nothing feels the same without you. So I want to take it a step further, and I want to dedicate this entire build right now to you, and everything that I'm going to do to this car. I want to dedicate it to you. I know it's nothing, out of the ordinary or extremely insane, but everything I'm doing to this, I'm doing thinking about you. So I hope that one day you get to drive with me in it. I hope one day you get to drive it. And I hope one day we get to rip it together again. So until then, Jacob, we love you, we miss you, and we hope you get home soon. I'll see you then. Peace. What's up, guys? So that's another day. Back at it. We get another video after 50,000 years. Anywho, I forgot to make an intro to this particular video. So this is the intro. I'm in the future, but now I'm taking you to I can't even speak. I'm taking you to the past. In 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so today is the next day after the day before that I made the video yesterday. And today we're gonna go get wheels. We're getting wheels today for the Miata. Extremely aggressive setup. I shouldn't get them, but I am. I never do anything normal or good for me. But yeah, we're gonna go get wheels. I'll do a little montage of the street. And then once I get the wheels, I'll show you guys. They're pretty neat. All right, guys, so we got the wheels. Look at that. I'm gonna show you a little better when we're home. Those are work Ewing something 17 by 12 4 by 100 offset. I have no clue. I couldn't find it in the back for some reason. I don't know, maybe I'm looking at the wrong things, but legit work wheels. The lips are aftermarket. They're from work as well, but they are bigger lips. These are not this big when they got them, or that wide. Will it fit the Miata? Probably, because the back barrel is still stock, or the factory one that came with them. It's only gonna poke out a lot more, so definitely need to go wide body for that, or see how it's gonna fit. But once I get home, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna try to get them wrapped up in tires and put on today. They had 285s before. So let's see what I can run on these. Look at that. My second set of real wheels. All right, guys, so these are the wheels. So you can see we're taking them apart. Me and my girlfriend, we're taking all the wheels apart. So it's a bitch, because I put a lot of silicone, as you can see, to seal it off, since they're 3-piece wheels. And if you don't take the silicone off, you can't take these apart. So you have to undo all the bolts and nuts, undo the silicone, then force them apart. What's up, boys? Bad news. Bad news is that the works are not gonna work with the car. See what I did there? But I resolved that, and I will show you everything that made it not possible to fit those wheels in here. First of all, the tires. The only tires I could find are these Continentals 285 4017. 17 in and of itself will fit in a Miata, but tire really makes a difference, because tires are taller. So that, on top of the extra inch that you added to the rim, you know, the clearance might not be there, even if you're going wide body or not. So after seeing these tires in person, I do have to return them. But after seeing them in person, I know for sure they're not gonna fit. But I got these. These are Heritage wheels. I'm not gonna use these tires. I'm probably gonna use, because these are used wheels, I'm gonna get more than likely 285s, you know, that will fit in here. A 305 you can fit, but it's gonna look a little funky. So I'm just gonna run 285s squared. 0 offset on these, I believe. He said one of them had -10 offset, but I can't seem to find it. Well, this one sticks out a lot more. Yeah, this one sticks out a lot more. Let me check on this side. Yeah, wow. Somehow I guess that the wheel I put in the bag is a 10 offset, and the wheel that's off, because the tire is ass, this one right here, as you can see, the tire is dookie. But yeah, the 2 of them are -10 offset. The other 2 are 0 offset. Oh my god, I look so dirty. But I'm going to the tire shop right now, find some tires, put some tires in this thing, and let's see how it looks. Because the wide body is definitely gonna get slapped on today. That's the wide body right there. So the wide body's gonna get slapped on today, and let's see how all that goes. Alrighty, boys, no luck with tires. I had to order some, so we're gonna have to wait a few days for those to get come in. So for now, we're just gonna fit the wide body kit with these ugly ass tires. I'm already cutting. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So for the kit to fit, it has to go all the way here. This little piece goes all the way over here to this body line. So you have to cut right here, cut the whole arch, but mainly you have to cut here to be able to test fit it. So we're gonna do that right quick. that's what the fenders look like. You have to notch it right here all the way back. There's like a body line right here that goes with the flow of the fender that you have to cut. You go through that, and this is gonna fit perfectly right here. Then you just have to cut all the way through. I just follow that line all the way throughout up to the front. The bumper also has to get cut, but the fender doesn't stop up here. The fender stops down here, in between or so, the bumper and the fender. That way, the fender holds the bumper still like it used to in an OEM setup, but it's the way I put it on is still a little bit way like in the middle. It should be a little lower right here, but yeah, that's how it comes out. I'm gonna show you guys the hardware that I used. This is one side and this is the other. This side came out a lot easier because I did it already. On the other side there's some screws or whatnot missing, but I'm gonna show you the hardware that I used for this. Also, these are 16 by 10s with 205s. These 205s, the guy that I bought them from had them under. I ordered some 275 45s that I'm gonna slap all throughout. They have poke, but they might still need to come out a little further, so I don't know if I'm gonna get a deeper barrel to make them 16 by 11 or just space them out at least 10 millimeters or so. And again, got the bumper because later on today I'm gonna put the lip, but this is just part one of wide body my Miata, so it's just the front for now. Alrighty guys, so what you're gonna do is go to Lowe's and find this Nuts 880510. These in particular are not from Lowe's. These are from Ace Hardware. They have a thinner washer type lip. The Lowe's ones are thicker. They're way better. And as you can see, it's just a rubber nut that has thread inside. And when you start threading it, it crushes it, so it holds whatever you're bolting together. And then the screws, you just get the same 10 by 24 is what these are. So 1024 screws. I went with Allen keys. 1 inch is preferred, or if you want to do 1/2 inch, you can do that as well. But yeah, these are the part numbers, 88510, and then for the screws, just 10-4 times whatever size you want. 1024. But yeah guys, that's it for part one of wide body in the Miata. Let me give you one last look at the wheels. This is what the wheels I'm going to be using look like. These are Heritage Imola 16 by 10s, 3-piece wheels. They look amazing. My girlfriend already dropped them, so the lip is a little scratched up. I'm gonna polish that later on. The 17 by 12s did not work because obviously 17s on a Miata, it's a stretch and it's really hard to make those work. It's not really even worth it because the drivetrain is not gonna, like your diff, your axles and things like that might not take that kind of load. So those wheels and tires are going since they don't fit at all. These are staying with me, the 16s. Once the tires get here, I'm gonna mount all that. But yeah, that's what the Miata's looking like so far, guys. Wide body, finally. I've always wanted to do this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of me partially wide body in the Miata. I'm gonna record now for the rear fenders. That way, it's a different part video type deal going on. I'm gonna do the lip as well. But she's out for paint June 9th. I don't know when I'm uploading this video, but she's gonna be painted June 9th. It's gonna take a couple weeks because it's a full color change. But yeah guys, until then, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, follow me on Instagram, HoonRV, follow me everywhere. I'm gonna pull the links down below. Peace out.